The Ministry of Education in UAE arranged this program under the title Ambassadors Plus. I thought that this might be something that could add to my experience, knowledge, education. And considering it's a trip to the US and I haven't been to the US, so I thought that would be a great opportunity to actually come and see what it's like here. My name is Sara Al-Kamali. I'm from UAE University, United Arab Emirates. So the structure of the classes are very different from back home. We have a lot of workshops, a lot of site visits, either on campus or outside. I really enjoyed that, especially when we went to Orange to attend a Makerspace lab and actually help them kind of like set up the place and got to know the people behind it and what they do and what they're trying to do for the community and sort of like the economy and the people in the area. That was really inspiring for me.
My name is Nawfa Mohammed Al-Kithiri and I'm from the United Arab Emirates. What I loved about this program is that how can we fix an issue that we face back home. We chose to work on water scarcity because our country faces, it's not just our country, it's the whole world that faces water scarcity, but specifically our country because we have no rivers, we have no lakes, we don't have rain. So we thought, hey, what can we do about this? So we tried to come up with different solutions. It's been a blast working in that project because we came up with really unique solutions and we feel that we're so proud that we're going to go back home to present these solutions. It's been an amazing experience. It's not only through the educational part of this program, it's the different parts. It's the meeting new people, meeting different people from different fields, you know, because I believe that innovation takes place when different fields intersect. And that's what happened in this program. I made so many friends that when I go back home, I'm gonna call them and I say, hey, I wanna meet you again. And I learned from a lot of people. It's been an eye-opener. Just traveling somewhere new and living there, you're not just gonna learn about the educational program, you're gonna learn about yourself and about other people.